Hi, I'm Jeff Gamet for the Mac Observer. Let's say you're playing some music and want to have it shut off at a preset amount of time. For example, you're going to bed and you want to have the music stop playing, say, an hour after you've climbed in bed. Okay, well, that's easy to do with the clock app on your iPhone. Let me show you how. I already have the clock app running, so I'm just going to swipe up and to the left from the bottom of my iPhone screen so I can get to the app chooser. And there's the clock app. Okay, now that we're there, tap the timer. And now set the length of time that you want to play the music. So let's say that I want this to run for an hour. All right, now that I've set that, where it says when timer ends, go ahead and tap on that and then scroll down to the very bottom where it says stop playing. Select that and then choose set. And now when you tap start, your timer will count down, and when it finishes, instead of playing alarm, it will just simply shut off whatever music is currently playing on your iPhone. That's all there is to it. I'm Jeff Gamet for the Mac Observer. Thanks for watching.